Tyagaraja, in one of his compositions, says that the nectar of Nadi gives not just the practitioner of the art form, but also the listener the same bliss that one gets from performing yaga, yoga, tyaga, and yoga. It grants mukti or ultimate liberation. I'd like to welcome all of you to an evening of bliss through Carnatic music, presented by a team of talented musicians. On the gadam, we have Vidwan Chandrasekhar Sharma. A gadam artist and vocalist, he hails from an illustrious family having Carnatic roots. His father, Sri T.H. Gurumurthy, a veteran Carnatic violinist, and his uncle, Sri T.H. Vikkavinayakaram, a legendary gadam Vidwan. Chandrasekhar Sharma initially started learning gadam from his uncle and Sangeeta Kala Acharya, Guru Sri T.H. Subhash Chandra. He was blessed to accompany many icons, including his uncle, gadam maestro T.H. Vinayakaram, on many occasions, and Kurukul maestro Sri T.H. Subhash Chandra as part of his rhythm ensemble band. He has played numerous Kannada concerts with dominance of music, including Sri T.K. Murthy, Sri Guruvaru, Sri Thiruvaru Bhaktavatsam, and many more. Further, he has also made notable contributions to film music albums and television serials. An A-grade artist of All India Radio, he is a recipient of several prestigious awards such as the Bismillah Kandiva Puraskar Award from the Sangeet Natak Academy, Kalki Krishnamurthy Memorial Award, Yuvakala Bharati from the Bharat Raja, to name a few. Chandrasekhar Sharma is also a professional vocalist, a disciple of Sri Vijay Shiva and Sri R.P. Srinath. As an educator, he also imparts his knowledge to many students by training them in Mridangam, Kanjira, Kunakol, and Vocal. Vidwan Chandrasekhar. On the Mridangam, we have Vidwan P. Shivarani. From a musical lineage, being the son of late Sitarapati Sri S.R. Balasubramanian, a distinguished musician and a disciple of the renowned luminary in Tamil critics, Sri Papanasi Sivan. Shivarani's exposure to various schools of thoughts concerning rhythm or line shaped his musical upbringing. Even at a tender age, Shivaraman displayed a remarkable ability to effortlessly replicate the intricate fingerings of the surkar executed by eminent maestros. He commenced his musical journey under the tutelage of Sangeeta Kala Acharya, Kumbakonam Sri M. Rajappa Iyer, and received advanced training from the esteemed Sangeeta Kala Dr. P.K. Murthy. Shivaraman's stage debut dates back at the age of 15, and he has since become a regular performer at prestigious musical platforms and organizations. He is an A-grade artist of All India Radio and Doordarshan, earned numerous subject awards from esteemed musical institutions and sabhas, including Asthana Vidwan from Kanchi Kamakothi, Palakkad Maniyan Award from Chennai Fine Arts, Nada Oli from Nada, and many more, and has also traveled extensively all over India and abroad. On the Mridangam, we have Vidwan P. Shivarani. On the violin, we have Vidwan Vikkavinayakaram. A young, acclaimed violinist, Vikkavinayakaram is renowned for his ability to embrace innovative and extrinsic ideas while simultaneously maintaining a commitment to timeless aesthetics. Starting at the age of 8, he had his initial violin lessons from late Sri R.R. Keshavamurthy and later from Sangeeta Kalanidhi Kumari Kanyakumari, an A-grade artist of the All India Radio, Vittal is a recipient of numerous awards: Shanmukananda Sangeeta Shiromani Award, Best Concert Award from the Music Academy for 3 consecutive years, Vani Kala Nipuna from Tyagakanda Balasabha, Best Violinist Award at Kalavanka National Youth Festival, to name a few. He has carved a niche for himself by being not only one of the most sought after accompanists, but a fine solo performer as well. Vijay has provided violin support to his guru, Kumari Kanyakumari, and also has accompanied great stalwarts and senior musicians all over the world. In addition to his virtuosity as a violinist, Vijay Rangan is also a chartered accountant, having achieved the distinction of completing the entire course on his very first endeavor, a testament to his exceptional dedication and aptitude. Our vocalist this evening is Vidushi Kritu Vittal. An exceptionally talented young star in the sphere of Indian classical music, has earned worldwide recognition for her brilliant musical versatility. Her artistic journey has been adorned with a diverse array of enchanting concerts, engaging festival performances, television appearances, radio broadcasts, albums, recordings, and educational courses. Kriti has the privilege of learning under illustrious gurus, her mother, Srimati Rajarajeswari Bhatt, Sangeeta Kalanidhi Srimati Srimati S. Soumya, Sangeeta Kala Acharya, Srimati Kalyani Sharma, Sangeeta Kalanidhi Srimati Santana Gopal, Turandu Srimati G. Sita Lakshmi, and Sri Abhishek Raghuram. Her music is an epitome of perfection, characterized by impeccable shruti, powerful voice control, an extraordinary imagination that brings life to her melodies, an exquisite aesthetics that mirrors the timeless values of classical music. Her performances transcend the boundaries of technical brilliance, reflecting an emotional depth that elevates her artistry to a higher level. She has achieved a series of remarkable accolades throughout her musical journey, including the titles Kalaratna by Cleveland Tyagaraja Festival, Essential by Carter Finance Cherry, Yuvakalamani by Mani Krishna Swami Academy Mangalore, Best Vocalist from Pakistan Swami Sabha Chennai, Best Female Vocalist from the Music Academy Chennai, Carnatic Music Idol USA of Jaya TV, Top 5 Voices of the Future from the Shruti Magazine, Indian Raga Fellow from MIT Boston, Saptami Superstar from Dallas, to name a few. Kriti's musical accomplishments are also coupled with other multifaceted pursuits: a computer science graduate, proficient in both Indian and Western violin, an exponent of the graceful art form of Bharatanatyam, and a talented acrylic pastel painter. She is an inspiring role model for aspiring musicians and artists across the globe. Vidushi Kritu. On the tambura, we have Kumari Madhura Sriram. Madhura is a junior at Dawson High School. She has been learning Carnatic folk vocals for the last 13 years from Vidushi Srimati Rajarajeswari Bhatt and Vidushi Srimati Kritu Bhatt. She did her vocal arrangement in 2019 in Chennai and has since performed many concerts in the US and in India. Can we have a very big round of applause for our wonderful musicians? I'd like to now invite the Cultural Director of MTS, Srimati Chitra Kumar, on stage, please.
Namaste everyone. On behalf of Meenakshi Temple Society, its executives and directors, it's a great pleasure to invite you all to this amazing concert by our own homegrown artist, Kriti Vittal. And I'm also delighted that we are co-sponsoring this event with the Classical Arts Society of Houston and Highland Houston. And this time I request our priest, Sri Sridhar Raghavan, to come on stage to felicitate our artists before we start the performance.
प्रजापशुकामो वा पुरस्तात्तशोतार्दञ्चमुपदधाति यावत्पदम् हृदयं वियुषीपत्न्यौ च दक्षिणतः प्राञ्चं चतुर्होतारम् पश्चादञ्चं पञ्चहोतारम् उत्तरतः प्राञ्चकं षड्होतारम् उपरिष्टात् प्राञ्चकं सप्तहोतारम् हृदयं यजूगुं शिपत्न्यश्च यथावकाशं गृहाणि यथावकाशं प्रतिग्रहान् लोकं प्रणाश्च सर्वाः स्नेता देवताः प्रीता अभीष्टा भवन्ति।
If you'd like to come on stage and sit here, you're more than welcome. The students, all the students here.
Also, please do not use spaces in the week. If you are exclusive to the center, you allow others to come on the side.